Hey everyone, this is Ray here with Area Pro. I'm here to share with you our latest update. It's called the Reel Machine, and we're going to be releasing that in the next few weeks, so keep your eyes open for it. You know, we've been around for about a year now. We've come out with Tiger Fins, the Ultimate Scrubber, and Tiger Wool. So this next product we're coming out with is not in the abrasive category. So everything we've done thus far has been kind of in the abrasive category. This product is not that, but it's gonna help you every day. So I want to just come out, let you guys know it's happening real soon, and just keep an eye out for it. We're gonna be sharing that information in the next couple of weeks, then you guys can start ordering right away. There'll be more stuff coming as well. Just right now, probably until the end of the year, this is probably gonna be it. Maybe if we get lucky, one more product, not sure. Not sure what's gonna happen. Anyways, I just wanted to keep you guys posted, let you know that we haven't forgot about the product. I know I put a couple images out, or not even images, designs or whatever you want to call it, promo images without the product in it. How do you promote an item without a product in it? I don't know. I'm trying to keep you in suspense, you know? It's like a good thriller movie. You know, you never know what we're gonna do. Not really.